Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your Mercedes dashboard. First, turn your ignition to position 1 or 2, but do not start the engine. Make sure your odometer or trip display is showing on the instrument cluster. Then, press the small R button on the left side of the cluster 3 times in quick succession. You should hear a beep and see a message asking to confirm the service interval reset. Confirm this to clear many common service reminders. For a more advanced reset, often for the Assist Plus system, begin by turning the ignition to position 1 or 2, ensuring the mileage is visible. Next, press and hold the call button and the OK button on your steering wheel at the same time for about 5 seconds. This will bring up a hidden service menu. Use your steering wheel controls to navigate to Assist Plus. Then select Full Service or Confirm Service, making sure to choose the correct oil grade for your vehicle. If other methods don't work, a battery disconnect can sometimes reset dashboard lights. First, ensure your vehicle is completely off and the ignition key is removed. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal first. Allow the vehicle to sit for at least 15 minutes. This gives the electrical system time to fully discharge any residual power. Finally, securely reconnect the negative terminal and check your dashboard for cleared warning lights. It is crucial to always consult your specific Mercedes-Benz owner's manual for the most accurate and detailed instructions, as procedures can vary by model. Remember, a persistent warning light often indicates a genuine underlying vehicle fault that requires attention. For some of the very latest models, specialized diagnostic tools may be necessary for a complete reset. If any dashboard lights remain illuminated after attempting these resets, it is highly recommended to seek professional diagnosis from a qualified mechanic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.